Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. What are you doing? What are you doing at home? Plus bonus content. Don't. So be sure to stick around for the second part of this video for that bonus content. Okay, great. Let's start. What are you barbecuing? Barbecuing. 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 I'm barbecuing hamburgers. 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 What are you watching? Watching. 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 I'm watching TV. 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 What are you having? Having. 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 I'm having breakfast. 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 What are you brushing? Brushing. 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 I'm brushing my hair. My hair. My hair. My hair. What are you dusting? Dusting. 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 I'm dusting the table. The table. The table. The table. What are you chatting about? Chatting about. Chatting about. Chatting about. I'm chatting about housework. 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 What are you cleaning? Cleaning. 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 I'm cleaning the toilet. The toilet. The toilet. The toilet. What are you closing? Closing. 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 I'm closing the window. The window. The window. The window. What are you cutting? Cutting. 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 I'm cutting a carrot. A carrot. A carrot. A carrot. What are you studying? Studying, studying, studying. I'm studying science. Science, science, science. Okay, extension, don't. Don't barbecue. Don't watch TV. Don't have breakfast. Don't brush my hair. Don't dust the table. Don't chat about housework. Don't clean the toilet. Don't close the window. Don't cut the carrot. Don't study. Really? You should study. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all of my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And check that box to get my posts. And for flashcards and worksheets, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks a lot. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.